Hello dear students, welcome to your computer online class. Children, in our previous videos we have discussed about chapter number 2, that is uses of a computer. Now today we'll be going to do the exercises of that chapter, but before that let us take a quick recap of what we have studied till now. Children, we have discussed about the uses of a computer, in which we have discussed that a computer is an electronic machine and it is used for various purposes, like we can play games on it. Next, we can listen to musics which are stored on a computer. Next, it is used for typing documents. Documents could be anything, like a letter you can type, okay? Next is that computer is used for solving sums. You can solve math problems on it, like addition and subtraction. Addition means plus and subtraction means minus, okay? Next, it can be used for drawing pictures. You can draw any picture on it and you can color on it. Isn't it it is a great use of a computer? Okay? Okay children, so next we have studied about the different places where computers are used. In schools, a computer can be used in schools. Yes, we teacher use the computer for teaching and also for making question papers, worksheets for you. Okay, so in schools a computer is used. Next, in offices, it is used in offices for typing letters, sending emails and etc. Next, at railway stations and airports. At railway stations and airports, it is used for booking tickets and also it is used for giving the information about the departure and arrival of trains and aeroplanes. Okay, now next is in banks. It is used in banks for creating accounts and for giving the information about the withdrawal and deposit of the amount. Next, in hospitals. Now children, in hospitals, doctor uses computer to operate a patient. Also it is used for keeping records of the patients and etc. Next, at home, a computer can be used at home for various purposes, like you can watch a movie on it, you can listen to music on it, okay, and you can solve sums on it. Okay, so for various purposes you can use a computer at home also. Children, now we'll be going to do the exercises questions. So take out your books and start writing down the answers along with me. It is kind of a revision type in which I will explain you the answers. Okay, while writing down the answers, I will keep on explaining you the content also. Okay, so take out your books. Okay children, so these are the exercises questions of chapter number 2 and it is given on page number 28. Let's get started with the first question, that is fill in the blanks with an appropriate word. Here are given some words. You have to fill the correct words in the blanks given here. Okay, let me read out the sentences for you. A. Teachers can prepare dash on a computer. Now children, as you all know that a computer is mostly used in schools where teachers can prepare exam papers, can make test papers and they can make worksheets for you. Okay, so you will write down worksheets here. Okay, write down worksheets, W-O-R-K, work, S-H-E-E-T-S, sheets, worksheets on a computer. We teachers make worksheets, question papers on a computer for you all. Okay, now come to the second B part. We can listen to dash on a computer. Now children, tell me what we can listen on a computer. Yes, we can listen to music. Write down M-U-S-I-C, music on a computer. Okay, now come to the C part. We can use computer as a dash 8. Means here it is written that we can use a computer like what? For what? Yes, we teachers can use a computer for teaching. So write down teaching. It is kind of a teaching aid for us. Okay, so write down teaching, T-E-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, ching, teaching. Okay, now come to the D part. A computer can be used to draw dash. Now children, tell me what you can draw on a computer. Yes, you can draw Pictures. Write down pictures here. P-I-C. Pic. T-U-R-E-S. Pictures. Now, E part. Computer is a useful dash machine. Now, children, we all know that a computer is a machine, but what kind of machine it is? It is an electronic machine. So, write down electronic here. E-L-E-C. Elect. T-R-O. Draw. N-I-C. Nick. Children, if you find it difficult to learn those spellings, so you can part them in parts. Like E-L-E-C, elect, T-R-O, draw, and then N-I-C, Nick. 3 parts we have divided, and then we can easily study it, and we can also learn it also. Same way you can do with these words. Elect, draw, Nick. Pictures, T-E-A-T, ching, C-H-I-N-G, ching, M-U, mew, S-I-C, zik, music. W-O-R-K, walk, S-H-E-E-T-S, sheets. Like this you can part these words and then you can learn the spellings. Okay, children? Now come to the second question. Tick the things that a computer can do. And children, I will read out the sentences for you and you have to think that what a computer can do. So let's get started with the A part. A computer can solve the sums. Children, tell me, can a computer solve the sums? Yes, children, a computer can solve the sums. Put a tick mark in the box. Now come to the B part. A computer can water the plant? No, children, it is not possible for a computer to water the plants because it is a machine. It cannot move, so it cannot water the plants. Okay, so put a cross sign here. Okay, now come to C part. A computer can color the picture. Yes, a computer can color the picture. We can draw on a computer and we can color the picture as well. So put a right sign, tick sign over here. Come to D part. A computer can ride a bicycle. Children, tell me, can a computer ride a bicycle? Is it possible for a computer to ride a bicycle? No. So put a wrong sign here. Put a wrong sign here because it is not possible for a computer. Okay? A computer cannot do it. And come to E part. A computer can talk with us. Now children, nowadays such machines are available which can listen to our instructions and they reply. But they cannot talk with us like we humans do. Okay, so a computer cannot talk with us, but yes, it can listen to our instructions. Okay, so put a wrong sign here because it cannot talk with us. We can do chatting on it, but we cannot chat with a computer, with a machine. Okay, so put a cross sign here. Okay, children, now come to the next question. Question number 3. Write any 2 things you can do on a computer. Now children, you have to write down any 2 things which you can do on a computer. You can write playing games. You can also write watching movies. And you can also solve the sums on it. Whatever you would like to write, you can write. Here I am writing playing games. Okay. And listen to music. Okay, children, you can write down these 2 or whatever you want to write, you can also write it down. Children, now come to question number 4. Write any 2 computer games that you like the most. Children, in a computer you can play various types of games. Okay, like you can play car racing games, you can play word games, you can also solve puzzles on it. So write any kind of 2 computer games over here. Okay, like I am writing car racing, C-A-R, car, R-A-C-I-N-G, car racing games, and word games. Children, games are the kind of games in which you have to fill the missing letters in between so that you can complete that word. So you can write down these 2 games. Okay, children? Now move on to page number 29. So here comes our sixth question. Match the following. Children, what you have to do, you have to read out the sentence and then you have to find out the pictures which is related to that sentence. Okay. Now the first one is typing a letter. Now children, here in all these pictures, this girl in this picture, this girl is typing a letter on her computer. So match this sentence with this picture. Okay. Now come to the next, coloring pictures. Now where you can see that a student is coloring a picture. Yes, here it is coloring a picture. Here this boy is coloring a picture. Here are given some colors over here. So, and he has drawn a car and he is coloring it. So, match this sentence with this picture. Okay. Now, come to the next. Playing a game. Now, children, here, these two pictures are given in which you can get confused, because here also this boy is playing a Mario game, and in this picture this boy is watching a movie. It is not a game over here. Okay, many of the students have got confused between these two pictures. So match this sentence, playing a game, with this picture. Okay children. Now solving a sum. Now children, here you can see that this girl is solving some math problems over here. So match this statement, this sentence, with this picture. Done? Okay. Now come to next. Watching a cartoon film. Match this statement with this picture. Watching a cartoon film. Yes. Here this boy is watching a film. So match this statement with this picture. Okay. Now come to next. Listening to music. Here you can see this girl is listening to music on a computer. So match this statement with this picture. Okay children. So let's move on to the activity part. Circle the places where computers are used. Now here we have to circle the places where computers can be used. What is written here? School. Now children, school is a place where computers are used. So put a circle here. Children, at school, computers are used for teaching. We teachers also use computers to make question papers, okay, to make worksheets. So school is a place where computers are used. Now come to the next one. It is written office. What it is written here? Office. Now children, computer can be used in offices also. Yes, it is used to type letters and reports and also sending messages. Okay, here bathroom. No, a computer cannot be used in a bathroom. Okay. Now next is bank. Yes, computers are used in banks also. Computer can be used in bank to store information about the people who are depositing or withdrawing money. Okay. Now next is garden. No, a computer cannot be used in a garden. Okay. Next is railway station. Yes, children, a computer can be used in railway stations. There, a computer is used to book the train tickets, and also a computer can give us information about the arrival and the departure of the trains. Okay, it gives us the information about the reaching or departure time of the trains. Now next is market. No children, a computer cannot be used in the market. Okay. Next is hospital. Yes, a computer is used in hospitals. So put a circle here. Yes, it is used to store the information of the patients, and also it is used by the doctors to operate a patient. Okay. Next, it is written temple. Children, a computer can be used in a temple. No, a computer cannot be used in a temple. Okay. Now come to picture hall. Yes, a computer is used in picture hall. Why do we use a computer over there? Yes, if you want to book a ticket for a film, or if you want to keep the information of the people who have booked the tickets, so for this purpose we use computers over there. So these are the places where computers are used. Here I have circled those places. Okay, this is how you have to circle it on your book. Okay children, so this is enough for today. We have done with the exercises, question answers of this chapter. Now children, what you have to do, those who have done with the question answers, they can recheck the answers from here. Okay, now complete all your assignments, all your exercises questions in a very neat and clean handwriting. So children, we'll be meeting soon in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you children.